Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to enable and use Find My Earbuds feature for your HONOR Earbuds X6. You have to start by open HONOR AI Live application and you need to add your earbuds to the application. If you did it, you will see them at the device list. Right here you need to tap on your earbuds and at the left bottom we have Find Earbuds. Click on it and to use it, your earbud should be or outside the charging case or it should be in the charging case, but the lid shouldn't be closed. So if you close it, your earbuds will disconnect from your phone and you cannot use the application. So, or open it, or the best one is to remove it. Now, how you can use it is to play a sound for your left or right earbud, or for both of them. And to do this, just tap on it, then click play. And you can add the second one, and now it's playing on both earbuds. To stop it, just click the stop. And I don't recommend it to wear them and play this sound, because it can destroy your hearing. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.